My name's James Baker. I'm from Calera, Montevallo. The reason I came to see Dr. Rothman is I had a sore on my tongue and I was coming to seek some advice about maybe getting a biopsy done. My first office visit was, it was very good. I'd heard good things from my wife. She had brought my daughter by for some wisdom teeth, so I'd heard good things, but personally, when I came by for the first time, it was really good. You know, they were very personable with me, and I was a little apprehensive about having a biopsy done. Unfortunately, I found out later that I had cancer, and had it not been for Dr. Rothman encouraging me to have this biopsy done, I probably wouldn't have done it. And he told me, he said, look, man, he said, if you were in my family, I would get this done. And thank goodness I heeded his advice, you know. It was a blessing to be here with Dr. Rothman. After the biopsy was done, I've got the bad news that I did have cancer. I had tongue cancer. He really, I mean, you know, when you tell someone they have cancer, it's not a good thing. But I would call him back and talk to him, and he really counseled me. He was like a friend. You know, he had mentioned family earlier. I had to have extensive surgery later on, but prior to that, I was really a nervous wreck, and I would call and talk to Dr. Rothman, and he really put my mind at ease and helped me through it, you know. And thank goodness he talked me into having the biopsy done. When I came and had the biopsy done, Dr. Rothman, he told me, man, if your family get this done. He called me back about a week later, and I came in, and he gave me the bad news. He said, I didn't get a good report on your biopsy. He said, I've got you lined up right now to go to UAB. So I went on to UAB, and I was diagnosed with oral cavity cancer. And they removed a third of my tongue, rebuilt it with some flesh here on my arm. Fortunately, things worked out there. I had a little bit of problem with the blood flow the next day. They corrected that, and we caught it soon enough to where I didn't have to have radiation or chemotherapy. And so right now I'm doing really good. If you're looking for a good oral surgeon, please come see Dr. Rothman. He knows what he's doing, and you know, he saved my life. I'm a pretty hard-headed guy. I would have walked out, and probably 2 or 3 months later, when symptoms really got bad on the cancer, I'd been in trouble. But the way he treated me, that's the reason I'm here. You know, I mean, the guy was really good to me. You know, he took his time. He cares about people.